What if I told you one of the easiest looking string problem can teach you a powerful pattern? Today's we will master is subsequence problem using two pointer techniques. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Trevor. In today's video we solve question number 392 is subsequence. If you want to improve DSA coding problems, LeetCode problem solving and clean C++ coding, then you are in the right place. Here in the question given here two string S and T, and our task is determine whether the S is substring of T or not. A substring means a character appear in the same order but not necessarily continuous. So here given an example S equal to ABC and T equal to AHB GDC. Here having S equal to ABC that present in T ABC also here. So its output is true. Here given another example S equal to AXC and T equal to AHBGDC. But here A also present in T, X not present in T. That wise its output is false. So what our approach to solve this question? First our idea, brute force idea. Normally you could not try recursion or generate or subset. So too complicated or not efficient. So our optimal approach to solve this question is two pointer. Here the smart solution is one pointer for a string and one pointer for string t. If character match, move both the pointers. Otherwise we moved only pointer of t. So our simple and efficient approach. So now let's start the code. Here we take an integer I and j for two pointer I equal to 0. After that we take integer variable j equal to 0 for two pointer approach. After that we run the while loop. Here we check I less than s dot size s dot size and then t dot size I less than and then j less than t dot size. When having here we check the condition. If si equal to sj, then we increment I plus plus. If not having the same, then we increment j plus plus. So we write j plus plus. Here we return the given j. So here we check that if I equal to s dot size having, then we return true, else we return false. So we here return I equal to s dot size means it's true. Having equal to size means true. If not having equal to s dot size, then its answer is false. Now we give an example test case to run the code. Here we write tj here the given test example is passed. Now we write on the code for take an example. First example we take. So here we write given in first example. So here s equal to abc and t equal to ahbgdc. So first we write start from 0 indexes. So here I0 and here J0, then Si equal to A and Tj equal to A. So it's match. Yes, it's match. Then action is I plus plus, also J plus plus. After that, we go index it has I equal to 1. After that, J also 1. Here S1 equal to B, but Tj for first indexes is H. Here not match. So here only J plus plus. After that here I also 1 and J is 2. After that Si is B and Tj also B, means it match. Then I also plus plus and J also plus plus. After that we write C means third one in second indexes. After that here J, for J here also uh, third indexes, means here as 2 is C and here T 2 is G. So here not match. So here only J plus plus. After that here having 2 here and here having 4. Sorry, here having 3. Here S I is C and here having D. So here also not match. So here J plus plus. After that here also 2I and J is 4. So here having Si is C and Tj also C. It's match. So here I plus plus and J plus plus. Here all the things are matches. So it gives answer true of this question. Now we submit the code. Here out of 22 test case are passes. Here the time complexity of this question is OFN and the space complexity of this question is OF1. We efficiently take matching character in order without extra memory. So this question, perfect beginner for two pointer problem, great for learning and string transversal, frequently asked in problem solving. So what's our common mistake to solve this question is moving both pointer when character do not match, forgetting edge cases like empty string, and using unnecessary catch error space extra space we take. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for daily coding content, comment 2 pointer done. Our next video is coming soon. Keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next one video. Thanks.